Now in this session we are going to see the data frame. We have already speak about the series. We have already seen all the attributes, important functionalities and all the method related to the series. From this session we are going to learn about how data frame work. I have already speak about what is data frame. So data frame is nothing just a combination of more than one series. Let's suppose for doing all these things we first need to import the NumPy and Pandas. Okay, so import NumPy as np, import Pandas as pd. So now first we are going to create our first data frame. Okay, so let's suppose I want to create my data frame with the help of list. Okay, so you need to do, let's suppose I want to make a list of student info, and it's a list containing the information of student 1, the name of the student and the marks. Second information, the ID of the student, the name and the marks. Marks. Last one, ID and marks. Okay, now we run the cell and we need to create our first data frame. pd dot data frame and we pass this, but here we need to specify the columns name is equal to, first is ID, second is name and the third is marks. When you click, it shows this data frame where it contains information of Shubham, Rahul and Raj, its ID, its marks. Okay, you will understand how you can create your data frame using list. Second, we can make this data frame with the help of Python dictionary. Okay, so let's suppose student info dict is equal to, need to do first, in dictionary I have already explained you all the information are in the form of key value pair. I hope you remember. Okay, so the first is ID and it contains 1, 2, 3. Second is name which contain Shubham, Rahul and Raj. Third is marks which contain 98, 96 and 87. When you run this cell and now we create pd dot data frame and we pass this student information dictionary here. When you run the cell, you will see the exact same result. So we have created here with the help of list and here with the help of dictionary. Now we see how we read our own CSV file. I have already speak about this, but once again I want to speak read underscore CSV, and here you need to put your name of your file. In my case, I want to work with the movies CSV, so I need to do here movies.csv. When you run, it is a data frame. If you want to check the type of this data set, it is data frame, right? So in this way you can import your CSV file. You can store this in one variable so that we can use in future, and if you want to print, you simply do movies. Okay, so in this lecture we have already seen how we create our own data frame using list, using dictionary, and if I have a CSV file, how to import that CSV file. Okay, thank you.